go on a flight. Remember last time, like the last 3 days, we went on a flight? Yeah, we crashed so hard in one. Okay, but we're going. I booked us to a 2019 plane. 2019 this year. I live for a long time. Let's drive. Not drive, fly. Okay, so guys, isn't this flight going so well? Yeah, I don't even. This is going great. Yeah, it's really going great. Well, I'm just gonna jump out the plane because we don't have a. Apple is a pilot. Don't worry, Apple is a good flyer. Guys, I've been hiding this from you, but I don't even know what country we're going to right now. This is the closest country. Good device, pumpkin. Correct, pumpkin. I might just make another answer. It says right wheel burning. Yeah, it is kind of burning. Guys, the wheel. I have one wheel now. Isn't it such a beautiful day, guys? Yeah. It's starting to crash. I just noticed that. Ah, we're crashing. Ah, it's landing. Oh my. Ah, it's not even that bad of a crash. No, pumpkin. Help! Help! Guys, I think everyone died besides me. You know who's still there? Robot! Wait, you still alive, Robot? I'm gonna carry you up. This out. Burning. Why popcorn? I don't know. I think he got into the fire. I'm burning. Ah, I got too close. I still need to put up. No, I'm burning. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Carry you away. Our friends. Subscribe.